Add a badge to selected products. Go to the Sale Booster tab. Click on Add New. Enter a name for your badge. Choose a badge template. Select the label color. Choose the label position. Adjust the label position using pixel values if needed. Navigate to the Products and Conditions tab. Select Products. Select Included. Select the products you want to apply the badge to. Save your changes. The badge will now appear on the selected products. Add a badge to all sale products. Go to the Sale Booster tab. Click on Add New. Enter a name for your badge. Choose a badge template. Open the Products and Conditions tab. Select Is on Sale. Set the condition to Yes. Save your changes. The badge will now appear on all products that are on sale. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or product badge, label, countdown timer for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Sale Booster. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin. Navigate to Sale Booster. You're now ready to explore enhanced features, including advanced product badge customization, notification bars, sale pop-ups, countdown timers, and countdown stock displays. Enjoy creating a more engaging shopping experience.